Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually post reels or photos or whatever you like on your Instagram account. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go to any kind of browser or to your Instagram application on mobiles and then just open Instagram, just like so. So, here guys, I will need you on PC to go on this create or this plus button. For those on phone, you just have to swipe left or swipe right your application and this create button will be automatically showed for you. So let's click here to create, select from computer, and basically you can just go and drag whatever video you want. So our files, for example this one, but this one is gonna be uploaded, so you can choose whatever file you want it to be. So let's go, for example here we can add like an image, so like this for example. So here's an image, I can just click on next, then we can add for example filter if you want to add any filters to it, and just like so you can click here, accessibility. So if you want to, if advanced settings here, hide like if you count on text, turn off commenting if you want, accessibility, and then you have to add here caption, and just like so click on share, and this video or this thing will be uploaded on your account. So here is the post, and if you want it to become like real, you just have to make it a video. So just have to come here, drag a video, and it will be done for you guys, and it will be like in this real section that is in this page in here. So guys, once more, and to more tell you how, so you go to your home page, click to create, and let me just remove this real quick. So you click on create, and from create you just have to select any file that says video, and automatically this video, when you upload it on Instagram, it will be turned into a real video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.